Hi, Judd here. This is a salad I have pretty much every day, and I can't do regular dressings, so I have my own dressing that I put together for this. First of all, I start with these bistro prepared salads. There's two of these that are gluten-free, the chef salad and the chicken Caesar. And I got the chicken Caesar, and I'll show you how I mix up my salad dressing. First thing I start off with is a dollop of oil, olive oil. Just a little bit. Remember, I'm making up one serving. And I use a teaspoon of white sugar, just because it dissolves better. A good squirt of lemon. This is that good lemon I told you about. Sicilia. And then hummus. Normally I use the plain hummus, classic hummus, but they were out of that, so I got the lemon twist hummus. Figured that couldn't help. I take a good dollop of that and put that in there. And then we just mix this all up. This stuff is so good, you can eat this plain. It took me years, decades to discover hummus. I didn't discover hummus until I was in Morocco at Disney. And I was trying to have something to eat there, and there was nothing I could eat. And the guy came up with hummus, and then mixed some oil with it, and oh, that was good. I think they got me some gluten-free rolls too or something. I was happy, but boy, I fell in love with hummus. Okay, so we got that all mixed up. Get all over the bowl, make sure we get all the ingredients evenly spread. Now we open up the bistro. Boom. Okay, and I throw away the dressing that comes with it, and I take out the top tray, which has your meat and your cheese, and I dump that in there. Okay, and often the cheese kind of sticks to it here. Okay, then I blend that in with the dressing. I mean, you can already tell this is going to be a delicious thing. And then I just dump in the rest of it. Mix that all up, get that dressing distributed all across everything, and I'll just tell you flat out, this is a quick, easy, delicious, healthy meal. There you go. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, so there you go. Happy day to you.